Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before this vlog starts, and this is a New York vlog, I wanted to come here and tell you how sorry I am for not being consistent on this channel. I've been putting up a lot of shots, but I've not been doing a long form content a lot because I've not been enjoying it. There's been no views on it, there's been no engagement on it, and right now there's like no motivation to do it. But let's try and change that as much as we can. I have the New York vlog, then I have my whole office transformation, and then I have my whole backyard transformation. So there are three videos for sure which are gonna go up hopefully in May. But yeah, I just wanted to come here and tell you, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for watching it. I'll try and bring out as much content as I can, but only your comments can make it feel better, can make it relate better, can make me motivate better. So make sure you do that. Okay, now without any further ado, let's get on with New York. Hello, New York, the New York State experience. क्या है New York State experience? Traffic. How New York is to a good start. We have Joey's Pizza here with us. Soumya, what happened? Soumya just lured her with, like, I think she convinced people with her smile to get a free pizza.
We just happened to get free Joey's Pizza, which is vegetarian, of course.
Yeah, Soumya ने किसी को ईद मुबारक बोला, उन्होंने ईदी में पिज्जा
नहीं, it was a different family, but हमें ईदी मिल गई है.
Yeah. I think it's a very good start.
The next morning.
Hello from New York. This is a girls' trip, and Rishabh is not here with me, and I'm with this one traveling after 5 years. Almost 5 years.
Vietnam to New York.
Vietnam to New York. Okay, and now we have finally reached to the famous subway of New York, and we are taking our very first subway to go to Harry Potter store. Being Potterheads, both of us, we love, and that's the first item that we want to do. So let's go and take you along. They have everything. I know. Soumya, किसको पिलाएंगे हमें love potion?
Me.
You need it, bro.
जिंदगी में कमी है.
What? But would you want a $75 का love potion?
Not really. I'll find something for free.
Liquid luck. This will help you get married. This is our first time, very first time seeing a Google store. We've never seen a Google store before. Being an employee for 5 years now. We are gonna go enter Chelsea Market. It looks very pretty from outside and is a very historical building apparently. Let's go. The directions that our friend from New York has given is walk straight. There's a code of conduct for Chelsea Market. Okay, no photography. Okay, guys. This is about my 13th Google office, and I'm not gonna lie, this is really like special and like funnily made. There are about 4 Google offices in this area, and the view from this area is gorgeous. It's stunning. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. It's just right on there. It's on the top of the Chelsea Market, and only employees have access to it. But I loved the view, and I'm like, how do people work? And if you look straight, you can see Statue of Liberty right there, which is crazy. And then we saw this area. This is public area. Like if you have public events at Google, this is where it happens. And then just exploring, I reached a YouTube Shorts office. This was my first time in any YouTube office, and I was blown. The way they had put everything, all the things that YouTube has done was so cool. There was like a little plot for there, and it's just so cool to always see Google offices in general. I love them. Very hungry. We've come to Time Out Market. The Time Out Market is one of the best places to see both the Brooklyn Bridge and the Manhattan Bridge. The view is gorgeous. And then we reached Dumbo, which is, of course, a picturesque spot for the Manhattan Bridge. Have you been here? Sorry, famous spot to come to. And now we are heading to go to Times Square, which is the most famous spot of this city. एक जूता कीचड़ में गया, छपाक. Shit. I have only one shoes. This is कपड़े वाला shoes. हाँ? वो क्या? 39. यहाँ US 8. और वो गया छपाक. हम यहाँ से जाने वाले थे टाइम स्क्वायर. I have no idea how that's gonna happen, but a trip without adventure is not a trip anymore. Look guys, I made it to Times Square. Oh. It was raining, so we did not see it in the full glory, but it was still fun to be in Times Square, something that you've seen in the media for so long. Now to the next day. Hello from day 2 in New York. Today's agenda is majorly to get good bagels. So today's food. We want to go bagels, we want to do bakeries, we want to do Italy, which is an Italian restaurant. We have to go to the best Google office here, which is still pending. And what else is the agenda? I think that's all. So we're waiting for a bus to go and get Essa Bagels, which is one of the most famous bagels in around this place. So let's go. A bus is here. Okay, Essa Bagel. Let's go. Oh my god, weird. A quick outfit change, lost metro card, and few adventures later, we have finally reached Whitehall Street. Oh god. And now we are heading to get our ferry to go to Staten Island. Let's go. Staten Island Ferry. So the Staten Island Ferry is a free ferry that is run by government, and it goes every half an hour, and it goes to the Staten Island, and in the middle you can see the Statue of Liberty very closely. So it's fun, cheap and free. Okay, we are here and we were directed to stand on the right side of the deck, and can you see that is where we're going. And here we are to watch the Statue of Liberty. I would suggest if you come to the lower deck, like the one with the shade on top, and not go to the topmost one. This one, I think you come at the level, so it's just better and like you get a better picture. We have reached the financial district. That's the bull, and look at the bheed for the pictures. It just started raining so heavily, and there's some event happening here. It's getting wet. It's a mess now. We are now heading to the new Google office. That's the newest Google office in all over the world, and it's one of the best as per a lot of people. So let's go and check it out. It's a 10 minutes walk from the subway station that we got down at. It's raining, not the best state. Our shoes are wet, our dresses are wet, but let's go and see what the fuss is about. Also, we are hungry, so we're gonna get lunch in the office. And we've made it to the office. Let's go inside. Chalo. Let's go inside and check the St. John's Terminal office without Johnny. From the cafeteria, this is the view. You have football, you have the whole skyline. You also have the Statue of Liberty, which you can see here. It's raining, it's not a very clear day. But look at the view. It's so beautiful. So we've come to the top on the terrace, and this is the view. How crazy is it? They've made the whole terrace with like seats, and you can work from here, etc, etc. And damn the view, yaar. New Jersey, you can see there's like football places. This is Pier 40. Then you can see Statue of Liberty somewhere there. It's there. It exists. And then New York is this side. This is the ground floor. Then we also have like a games corner, etc. So cool. Let it out. This is art and culture experimentation. So cool. We spent almost the whole day exploring the Google office. Then we went to this spot where Tara Rampam was shoot. Then we obviously had to go to Lafayette Bakery to have their croissant, and this was the pistachio croissant. Oh my god, so yum. And then we ended a day with some more desserts and good pasta and everything. And yeah, that was the end of day 2. Day 3 in New York, last day today. We are going to Brooklyn Bridge, Central Park. Park ही निकलता है मुझसे. Friends has given me that bad habit, but today's weather is really cold. Our eyes are already swelled up from all the sleepless nights we've been having. But let's go and explore Brooklyn Bridge. We thought we are early. Guess what? 5,000 people thought the same. Oh yeah. It's pretty, but we've not even reached there right now. Done with the क्या ये Brooklyn Bridge. हाँ, मेरे वीडियोस पूरे ऐसे ही होते हैं, पता है. कई बार मैं लॉस ऑफ वर्ड्स होती हूँ कि मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आता मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ, क्या कर रही हूँ. हाँ, ऐसा हो गया. Last day together to second international trip. Where are we taking our third international trip? It's a surprise. Yeah, only if you sponsor us.
Of course.
Yeah, $1.
Or Google does.
Yeah, but now we are going to have Vada Pav because you are in New York, and New York, New Jersey में हर टाइप का इंडियन खाना मिलता है. सौम्य को तो कल से इंडियन खाना, मतलब 2 दिन बाद से इंडियन खाना मिलने लग जाएगा. बट मेरे लिए डेनवर में इंडियन खाना ढूंढना इज अ स्ट्रेस. So today we are gonna go eat Vada Pav. Let's take our subway and take Vada Pav. The Apple store. This is the billionaire क्या? Billionaire row. Oh. And then you have the plaza where Home Alone, the guy was lost. And now we're making our way to Central Park.
ताज होटल.
White वाले के?
ये दोनों जो है ना, व्हाइट और ये,
हाँ.
द पियर नाम है इसका कुछ. ये ताज के है. मैं एक बार
ताज की लोकेशन
एकदम बहुत ही बढ़िया लोकेशन है यार ये.
तो मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव हाउस होता है या तो यहाँ होंगे जो या तो ऊपर से देख पाएंगे, या तो राइट वाले होंगे या उधर से लेफ्ट वाले, मतलब जो फर्स्ट लेन में होंगे सारे.
मतलब सेंट्रल पार्क एक प्राइम लोकेशन है, उसके अगल बगल वाले सारे घर एकदम.
मेरे को लगता है मेरी 7 जन्म में नहीं इकट्ठा कर पाएंगे इतना.
So we reached Central Park, and Central Park is a huge property and you can't see it all. We spent about 4 hours there, but we just can't see it. But the vibe was all there. The music, the fountain, the cherry blossoms. There were so many influencers here on this day. And then this was the most famous fountain that you've seen in all Central Park related videos. We also went to the Friends fountain. This is where like one of the scenes has been shot. Rest everything doesn't revolve around this one. It's just a very small gimmicky version that is already made in the Warner Brothers Studios. But this is how it looked. And then we crossed through the bridge, roamed around. It was a good, nice, spent time. This is so big. I think we've only seen half of it. Not even half, I think quarter of it or something. It's a huge park. Like the whole city is just like built around the park. And it's so windy, chilly today. I think now we're going to one of the castles. So let's go.
पेंटिंग बना सकते हैं.
मेडिटेरेनियन है.
And that was it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Leave a comment, leave a heart below. New York as a city, as many times as you go, you'll always feel that there's something missing here. There's so many things to do, there's so many places to see. But that is all for this vlog. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.